From the Fed's annual Jackson Hole Conference to what's pushing and pulling global energy markets, these are the stories to watch in business and finance in the coming week. Central bankers from around the world gather in Jackson Hole, Wyoming from Thursday for the Fed's annual conference. This year's focus is on labor markets, a shift away from last year's inflation theme. Most market participants believe the Fed will begin cutting rates in September. Some recent alarming economic data has pushed investors to ramp up bets on a 50 basis point cut. Investors will be hoping to learn more about Vice President Kamala Harris's policy positions as the Democratic National Convention kicks off in Chicago on Monday. Harris has been at pains to emphasize she would never interfere in Fed independence, a view that contrasts sharply with Republican candidate Donald Trump. The Bank of Japan's sudden pivot from Uber Dove to Ultra Hawk has put it in the firing line for lawmakers after peppering its surprise rate hike at the end of July with hints of more to come. One unexpected result was the steepest rout for Japanese stocks since 1987's infamous Black Monday. Politicians are set to grill BOJ Governor Kazuo Ueda and his peers on Friday. A confluence of risk factors has pushed and pulled global energy markets in recent days. There's concern of conflict spreading in the Middle East, and that heavy fighting where Russian gas flows into Ukraine could result in a sudden stop. At the same time, worries about the strength of demand, particularly in China, are somewhat limiting oil's gains.